I was a patient that I used to have to come in and I would have to take sleeping pills, have to have somebody drive me, give me gas on top of that. I think the first thing they do here, which I never had anybody do, was they addressed my fear and said that it was a very normal thing.
He really made me feel at ease.
Not a lot bothers me, but I just wasn't going to do dentists. I would have almost said somebody was lying if they said it would be that easy to get all that work done.
The girl that took care of me, she was such a big cheerleader. I know that if I hadn't gotten the treatment that she gave me, the first few minutes that I walked in, I probably would have gone home.
Do you still require sedation when you come in?
No, I am a very big girl now.
I think they're a great group, that they really care about their patients, and so does Dr. Elizondo. You can tell that they're here for more than just their 8 to 5 job, that they really do care.
They know you by your name. Everybody addresses you by your name. They're very polite and they're very professional.
When I have an appointment to come to Dr. Elizondo, I never dread it. He always works with me to make sure that I don't have to go through anything more than I have to go through.
As soon as you walk in the door, it's like, you can't even say family, because not even family really get along that good. It's just, everybody just kind of has this flow. They really think highly of this place. They think highly of their job, and people are going to do better work when they enjoy their job. And it just oozes out of this place. I mean, everybody just loves working here. It was actually on New Year's Eve, and come in, got the whole thing done, and I got out of here, and it was probably about 11:30. He's calling me on my cell phone, wanting to know how I'm doing, is everything going good? And so it's kind of that personal touch that I didn't expect.
It was a little under a year ago on a Saturday that I had a tooth accident where one of my teeth was knocked right out of my mouth, and Dr. Elizondo actually took time away from his family to come to help me with my needs.
He always calls. He calls at home to find out. He's called me from vacation because he heard that I had started having a problem, and that means a lot.
I believe that this place does wonder. I don't know if you can call it like a blessing, in disguise, but it really is, yeah.
If you're interested in going to a dentist and you need to get past that first step, it's all going to go on its own from there, because they'll feel the same thing that I did.
One time I came in and I told him that I'd had a terrible nightmare, and I woke up and was so upset, and it was an awful nightmare, and he's like, well, what was it? And I said, well, in my dream you died. And he, kind of stepped back and startled him, and he's like, well, that's awful. And I said, yeah, but the nightmare part of it was that I was going to have to go find a new dentist.
And I'll tell you, I was very happy with the results. And I've had people even mention to me, you've got a nice smile,
Dr. Elizondo has been a blessing for me and my family, and there's just not enough good that I can say about him.
I would tell him, I'm the biggest chicken, scared, everything you can think of. And if you're feeling that way, these are the people that are gonna take care of you.